November 10th, 2013. Guys, this is the Stellarium 0.12.4 edition, and I wanted to show you how you get the Comet Lovejoy and your other comets put into this from your plugins. First thing you do, you set your location. Now, I've got mine set in the United States in the southeast where I'm at, but you can set it anywhere in the world. Or you can come in and set your exact longitude and latitude, and then once you find your location, go down and set it as that default. That's going to save you some time each time you come in, or if you want to change around. Also, when you scan down at the bottom, you'll notice that menu will pop up at the bottom. What we want to do is go into the configuration window. That's with that wrench. Come into your plugins, go to Solar System Editor, and hit Configure. Now it's going to give you a list of options, but come to the middle, you've got solar system. Now the about to the right will give you some information, but what we're looking for is right in the middle to come to solar system and then come down and hit import. Don't check any of those that are there. Come down to comets. Now I use the MPC list of observable comets list in the middle for this. Now you click on get the orbital element. You come to this list. Notice you've got Pan-STARRS Lemon. It just goes on and on down through there. You can find just about anything you're looking for, but here we're looking for Lovejoy. Now you click on it, and then you'll add the object. It's that easy. Once you do that, all you got to do is just start backing out of the information on the screen there, or you can add your URL to the list, things like that. But now, when we come in, we're going to go to the search window, F3, come to Options, List, pick solar system, not constellations. Now, you see those are some that I have on my list already, but I've added Lovejoy. Just click on it. Now, notice it just focuses down at the ground. You guys that have done this know what's happening. What it is, it's below the horizon, and it's trying to tell you that. But it's got the tools that will allow you to compensate. Also, anytime you move it, just go back in your search window and click on that object in case it loses it, because if you're moving your cursor around, it will track something different. Now, what I've done there is turn off both the horizon and the atmosphere. That allows the sun to appear as a star in the sky. The gray line across the center is the horizon. We've turned that off. Notice the line up here in the red dot. We have Lovejoy, then there's ISON, Inky, Mercury, Saturn, the sun, in a line straight back down through Mars. There's Procyon, Betelgeuse. Now, you're not going to be able to see it from where I'm at. Now, if you're at the southern hemisphere and you program it in, that's different. But let's look at it from here in the southeast. As we go through the fast forward, notice your time down here. When it comes on and you set your location, it's going to set the time where you're at. So you're seeing here at 2000 hours, guys, that would be 8 p.m. Well, we'll go through this. Notice the time at the bottom. What you're going to see is it rise above the horizon just before midnight. Check this out. The 10th, 2200 hours is 10 o'clock. Let me back this out. We're going to pull it up. But again, your timing as we, again, that's your horizon line. Look there, 2046. 24 is midnight. So is it starting to come above the horizon here? Again, just before midnight, it was going to start to rise. And notice that was northeast, very close to where the sun rises. And this is one of the latest images of Lovejoy. Now, its JPL is in the video before this with the model on it, but it's rising up. The tail is streaming back because of the direction of the solar wind like that. But this comet's rising. It's got a high arc over the inner solar system. Again, not a sun diver, but we have seen comets like Comet Holmes that exploded, even though it was not a sun diver, as it got close to Mars one year. And that was in the video called The Living Universe. But this is an update, guys, on how to get this into your Stellarium plugins. Heads up, be safe.